Hello everyone, I Dr. B.D. Karande, Head Department of Mathematics, Maharashtra, Udayagiri Mahavidyalaya, Udgir. Today we will discuss on the unit 2nd, open set, closed set and countable sets. In this lecture, we will learn to the some point, there is the adherent point, closure point, closed sets, dense set, perfect set and some typical examples. In this lecture, the first point, what is meant by adherent point? In the last period, we have to already define the what is meant by the open set, what is meant by the neighborhood of a point, what is meant by interior points, okay, what is meant by the limit point. But in this lecture, the what is meant by the adherent point? A real number zeta is said to be an adherent point of the set S. S is the subset or equal to real number set R if every neighborhood of zeta contains at least one point of S. From this figure, suppose this is the set S. S is the set of the real numbers, is the subset of the R. Okay, and this X is an arbitrary point. X belongs to S. This X not belongs to S. This X not belongs to S. But this neighborhoods, this point neighborhoods contains the some point of S. The neighborhood of X, this X contains the all points of the S, and this X point, its neighborhoods do not contain the any point of S. Means these 2 points is the adherent point of the set S by the definitions. Evidently, an adherent point may or may not belong to the set, and it may or may not be a limit point of the set. For this, by this definition, these 2 points from this figure, these 2 points may not belong to me. That is this point is the belongs to the set S, but this is also adherent point, but not belongs to this set S. This is not the adherent point. Means that adherent point may or may not belongs to the set. Some adherent point in contained in S, some adherent point may not contain in S, or some limit point. Means some adherent point is a limit point, or some adherent point is not the limit point. Means may or may not be a limit point of the set. First, there are 2 types of the adherent point. That is the isolated adherent point and the one limit point. But in the last period, we have to already define the what is the limit point. Suppose that zeta is the adherent point, and this zeta is called the limit point of the set S if every neighborhood of zeta contains at least one point of S other than zeta. Okay, other than zeta. This is the definition of the limit point. It follows from the definition that a number zeta belongs to S is automatically an adherent point of the set. Okay, for every neighborhood of member of the set contains at least one member of the set, namely the member itself. Further, the number zeta not belongs to S is also an adherent point of the S only if zeta is the limit point of S. Means from this figure, this X is the adherent point but not belongs to S, but this is also the limit point. Means this adherent point is a limit point, but not this limit point belongs to this set S. Thus, the set of adherent points of the S consists of S and derived set S dash. The S dash means the set of the limit point is called the derived set, and which is denoted by S dash. Next, what is the closure of a set? The set of all adherent point of S is called the closure of S. It denoted by closure S and is such that closure of S is equal to S union S dash. Means the union of the itself set and the derived set. That is the closure of a set. Okay. For example, that is the closure of I is equal to I union I dash. I dash, the set of the limit point to the integer set is the empty. Therefore, the closure of I is equal to I union I dash, that is the I union phi is equal to I only. Second example, the closure of the set Q Okay, Q is equal to Q union Q dash, but the limit point of the rational number set is the real number sets, and that is the R, means the closure of Q is R. Third example, the closure of R is equal to R union R dash, and a limit point set of the real number set is itself R. Therefore, the R union R is equal to R. That is the empty set, closure of the empty set. That is the closure of the empty set is equal to empty set union its derived set. But that is the derived set of the empty set also empty. That is the union of these two empty and empty, that is also empty. That is the closure set of the empty set is also an empty set. Next, define the closure set. A set is a set to be closed if each of its limit point is a member of the set. Means the limit point of this set is the member of this set, then this set is called the closure set. In other words, a set S is the closure if no limit point of S exists which is not contained in S. In the last figure, that is the this is on this figure. This is the X is the limit point S, but this limit point is not contained in S. Therefore, this set is not the closure set. In rough terms, a set is closure if its point do not get arbitrarily close to any point outside of it. Thus, set S is the closure if and only if derived set is the subset or equal to S. Means the all limits point set contained in S or closure of S is equal to S. Consequently, a closure set is also defined as a set S for which closure of S is equal to S. It should be clearly understood that the concept of closure and open set are neither mutually exclusive nor exclusive. The word not closed should not be considered equivalent to open set. Open. The sets exist which are both open and closed, or which are neither open nor closed. These two, empty set and whole set, real whole set, both are the open as well as closed. But some sets are the only open and some sets are only the closed. And another some sets are not both the open also closed sets. The set consisting of point this sets. This is the semi-closed interval AB, which is the neither open nor closed, because this end point A. This is the A is the limit point of this set, but this is not the member of this set. Therefore, by the definition, this is not the closure set. Another, this end point B is not the interior point. That is this interval is not the neighbor of the PP point. Therefore, by the definition, this is not the open sets. Another examples. This is the closure set. Closure interval is a set which is closed but not open. By the definition, what do you mean by this is the closure? Because this intervals contains all its limit point. But this is the not open set because this closure interval is not the neighborhood of the end points A and B. Next, the set, the union of these two closure interval, which is not an interval. But this is the discontinuous at the point 1 and 2 in between. Therefore, this is not the closure interval. And therefore, by the definition, this is not the closure sets. Null set phi is a closure, for there exists no limit point of phi which is not contained in phi. As was shown earlier, phi is also an open set. The set R of the real numbers is also open as well as closure. There are two sets only, that is the empty set and the real number set are the both open as well as closure sets. the set Q is not closed because the derived set of Q set is the real number set, and the real number set is not subset of Q. Therefore, by the definitions, the rational number set is not open. I closed. Next, another one set, that is the 1 by n. N belongs to capital N, is not closed. Is not closed because for it has one limit point 0. 0 is the limit point of this set, but the 0 is not the member of set. Therefore, by this definition says that the given set, the set 1 by n, n belongs to capital N, is not an open set. Is not an open set. Next, the every finite set A is a closed set. Every finite set is a closed set. Every finite set is not open set, but every finite set is a closed set. For its derived set of the finite set is the empty set, and derived set is the empty set where it is the subset of A. Therefore, this is the closed set. A set A which has no limit point coincides with its closure for A dash is equal to 5, and the closure of A is equal to A union A dash is equal to A. Some typical examples in this units. The first typical example show that the set S is equal to is the set of X such that 0 less than X less than 1. X belongs. This is the open intervals, and show that this open interval is an open but not closed sets. Okay, the set S is an open intervals. Therefore, S is the neighborhood of each of its points. Hence, it is the open sets. Okay, clear? Again, every point of S is a limit point. The end point 0 and 1, which are not the member of the set, are also the limit point. By the definitions, if the set is a closed set, if S contains all its limit point. But in this example, there are two limits point which is not the member of this set. Therefore, this set is not a closed set. Another one example, show that the set S is equal to is neither open nor closed. The member of S heap or cluster near 0 on both sides of it. Means that is the 1 by 4, 1 by that is the 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by that is the this approaches to 0 from right, and that is the minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 2, minus 1. All these are the approaches to 0 from left, and every neighborhood of 0 contains an infinite number of the points of this set S. Therefore, thus the 0 not belongs to S. 0 is the not member of this set S, but 0 is the limit point of this set. By the definition says that the set is not closed up. Again, S is not open, for it does not contain any neighborhood of any of its points. For example, a neighborhood, that is the open interval 1 by 3. This is the 1 by, this is the interior point, these neighborhoods 1 by 3. It is these points contains this neighborhoods 1 by 3 minus 1 100, 1 by 3 plus 1 of the 1 by 3. This is the neighborhood of the point 1 by 3. Okay, is not contained in the given set S. Okay, this open interval, this neighborhoods of the point 1 by 3 is not contained in the set S. Therefore, by the definitions, this given set is not the neighborhood of each of its points. Therefore, the set S is not open set. Another one example show that the set is closed but not open. For this set, there are only 2 points, 1 and minus 1 are the only two limits points of the set, and these two limits points are in the set. Therefore, the set S is closed. But again, all member of the set except 1 and minus 1 are not the interior point of the set. Okay, that is only 2 points, minus 1 and plus 1 are the interior point, but all other points are not the interior point of the set, and thus the set is not open. And hence, this given set is a closed set but not open set. The relationship between the closed and open sets is brought out by these theorems 5 in the next section that follows, and is sometimes taken as the definition of the closed sets. Next, what is by the dense set? A subset A of the set of the real numbers R is said to be dense, or dense in R, or everywhere dense, if every point of R is a point of A, or, this is the important concept, every point of R is a point of A, or a limit point of A. Okay, or equivalently, if the closure of A is R, this is the last is the concept clear. The closure of A is equal to R, then the subset A is said to be dense in R. Okay. Second definitions, a set A is said to be dense itself. The first definition, the subset A is dense in R, but in the second definitions, a set A is said to be dense in itself if every point of A is a limit point of A, if A is the subset or equal to derived set. Derived set, set of the limit point. A set which is dense in itself has no isolated points. Okay. Third definitions, a set A is said to be a nowhere dense, non-dense, that is called non-dense, relative to R, if no neighborhood in R is contained in the closure of A. If no neighborhood in R is contained in the closure of A. This is another words, if the complement of the closure of A is dense in R. It is clear that if A is an interval, A is the interval or contains an intervals, then A is not nowhere dense, because there exists an interval I subset R such that A intersection A is not equal to 5. But there are sets which contains no interval and which fail to nowhere dense. For example, the set Q, this is the rational number set, and the set of the irrational, that is the R minus Q. Okay. Fourth definitions, a set is a set to be perfect if it is the identical with its derived set, or the equivalently a set which is closed and dense in itself. For examples, this is the first example, that is the A equal to 1, 1 half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, so dot dot, this is them. And a derived set of this set A, that is the 0. That is, the set is neither closed nor dense in itself by these definitions. Okay, this set is neither closed set, because is neither closed set means 0 is the limit point, but this limit point is not the member of the set A. Therefore, this is by the definition this set is not closed. Okay, is not closed means that is this set is neither closed nor dense in itself by the definitions. Second set, the set Q of the rationals is dense. in itself, okay, but is not closed. Rational numbers is not closed by the definitions. Means the all limits point. There is a set of the limit point, the rational number set, that is the R. And irrational numbers is not contained in Q. Okay, therefore Q is not the closed set, but this rational number set is the dense in itself. Third example, finite set is closed but not dense in itself. Set R of the real numbers is the dense in itself as well as is also closed set. The set, that is, this is the closed interval, is a perfect set. By this definition, the closed interval is a perfect set, and the set R of the real numbers is also a perfect set. Another one example, that is the set A is equal to the set of the 0, 1, 1 half, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, so on, dot, dot. Nowhere dense in R, since 0 is the only limit point of the set. 0 is the only one limit point of the set A, and no neighborhood of 0 in R is contained in the closure of A. Okay. The next one example, the set Q of the rational numbers and the set of the irrational numbers are the dense in R. Okay. Rational numbers and irrational numbers both are the dense in the real number set, and empty set is a perfect set. In this lecture, we learn to the first point, that is the adherent point. Next, second, what is by the closure of a set. Third is what is by the closure sets. Dense set, perfect set, some typical examples.